That's your own personal goal. That's your own personal dreams. So do what you need to do at any cost to achieve them. Today's a big day. I got a big investors meeting, so hopefully my dream of getting a gym will happen sooner than later, and that's through persistence and a desire to defeat any force that wants to defeat me, whether that be time of day, lack of even education. I had to educate myself immensely to get to this point. Starting my own clothing line. I didn't know squat day one, and I've learned from a lot of mistakes, and I'm very proud of learning from those mistakes. So don't let yourself get down. Don't stay down when defeated, and just have fun doing it. And figure out what you like to do in this life, because you only live once. It's cliche now because of stupid hashtag YOLO, but I believe it, man. You only got one shot in this world, and make it count. Go. You know what that's saying? Out of my cold dead hands? Fuck that. I'd rather be out of my partially lukewarm rigor mortis hands. Because you know what? Being cold sucks. And so that's a fun fact. Something about being cold. Doesn't matter how tough you are, it just sucks the life from you.